For 2 weeks, I was paying 0.01 cent only. Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great day. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you 4 top applications to use here in China. And thank you for joining me. So let's get started. So the first application is called Deqin. Deqin is one of the most popular applications here in China. It has an English and Chinese language version, which makes it very easy to use for foreigners in China. Before it was like you will use the taxi, then after that you can pay. But nowadays you need to pay first, then after that you can use the taxi. And Deqin is not only working in China, they are working in different places, in different countries, just like Japan, Mexico, and so on. There are a lot. However, there are a lot of applications to use here in China. So if you are looking the other applications, welcome. So the second application is called T3. T3 is one of the most competitors application of Deqin, and it is very cheap and they give you discount most of the time. Compared to the other applications, I think I choose T3. Most of the time I choose that application. Even though I can get discount in another application, sometimes it is very hard to find car in some application in my city. Maybe in your city, the other application is very easy to find a car. So you can choose. And also, this company is becoming one of the most trustworthy company here in China. And by the end of this year, it's expected to cover 6 cities: Nanjing, Hangzhou, Tianjin, Wuhan, Chongqing, and so on. You can download this application and try to find if they start working in your city or not. The third application is called Shanda. Shanda is founded in 2018 on December, and now it has a lot of customers nowadays. It is very cheap and it is easy to find a car if you are in downtown. But maybe if you are not in downtown, you might need to wait maybe 4 to 5 minutes to find a car. It depends on the city and where you are. Maybe in your city it is very easy to find this car. But in my place, I'm not in downtown, so I need to wait maybe 4 minutes or 5 minutes sometimes. If you are a new user, check this application. You may get a lot of discount. I don't know about your place, but in my place they gave me discount a lot, and for 2 weeks I was paying 0.01 cent only. Even last month I was paying 3 times 0.01. Like the taxi that I ordered is not very far. If I order in Deqin, maybe it is paying quite, but on that application I was paying only 0.01. And they choose some places to give this kind of discount. Maybe if it is a mall or something, they give you this kind of discount. So try to use this application and tell me if you get discount or not, because I was like, what, only 0.01 and I paid, and all I paid was 0.01. So I went and I checked my phone on WeChat and I was like, okay, that's nice. Try to order in the right way and try to cancel the taxi if you want to cancel before the taxi arrives to your place. If the taxi arrives to your place and you cancel, you need to pay 5 kwai. Yes, so keep that in mind, because sometimes they give you a very discount price. Maybe you need to pay 4 kwai. Sometimes, and if you cancel, it means you're gonna pay 5 kwai, and it is not fair. So make sure to not to make that kind of mistake. The next application is called Deqin. Deqin is founded in 2014 and they are working now in 86 cities. They have more than 150 million users and their price is very cheap compared to the other applications. And actually in my city it is not easy to find that car, but maybe in your city it is easy. I tried only once, the car didn't come, so after that I never tried. But my friends, they told me that it is very cheap and it is easy for them to find a car. So maybe you can try and tell me which application you like so far. For me, I like T3 very much. It is very easy to use that application, and also I can find a car very easily. So let me know which application you are using right now and how many applications do you know apart from this. So for the next video, I'm gonna share with you guys the other applications that I found after I posted on my Instagram. Some people, they told me that there are also other applications, so I will check them out and I will let you know, guys. I hope you will enjoy these applications, and let me know which application you like so far and which one was you were using all this time or for a long time. Only DD, or you were using the other applications also. These are the applications for today's video. For the next video, I will post the other application. If you want to find the next applications, don't forget to subscribe so that you can find my next video. And have a great day. If you learned something new, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Have a great day.